What's going on, everybody? We have a Chaves Redencion Street Framelock Tanto Titanium. I don't know if I said that all in the right order. It's a pretty cool blade shape. I like the grind. I like the swedge. I like the choils. It is a hefty knife. The action on it's good. This is what's on the barcode there. I mean, I like it. It's heavy. We'll get the blade length on there. I feel like the cutting edge is actually less than 3 inches. A little over 2 3/4. And then the actual blade length looks like it's at 3.25, maybe 3.3, somewhere around there. I don't know what you guys think. Here's some of the weirdest commercials there on the radio. Skull clip, comes with both. I really like the blade profile. I just feel like it's a hefty knife that feels kind of small. I don't know if I had to choose between that and the X-Lock. I know it looks like the X-Lock is smaller. I prefer it. It's a lighter knife. There's a Benchmade Bug Out, Spyderco PM2, Benchmade Bailout. This one's thinner. I prefer the lock, the Axis lock or the X-Lock to the Framelock. But that's a comparison for you. Let's get those out of the way. Compare it to a couple bigger boys. Got a couple Chaves 229 Redencion. There's the Tanto. It is definitely a bigger knife. Then got this one also. This one's bronze. It doesn't look bronze, but I guess it is. Picked that one up on eBay. So I prefer these larger knives to this one. I don't know what it is. It is definitely a cool knife, just not for me. What do you guys think? I'm just not a fan of the choil there. Do you guys like the choil? I like the jimping. I like the thumb studs. The swedge is cool. I like the titanium. I like the frame. I don't know what it is about this knife that's just not calling my name. You guys have an amazing day.